As the world's largest monkey, at an average weight of 36 kilograms, or about 80 pounds, these creatures have canines that are fang-like in their 5 centimeter or 2-inch length. For perspective, that's longer than the teeth of many adult lions. Not bad for a creature half the size of a human. The intimidating canines are little comfort to anyone caught in the vicinity of baboons, even with the knowledge that these likely did not evolve for the purposes of prey, but rather for intimidation and sexual dominance disputes. They certainly look the part of prey killers, however.